This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 10. So, our next concept is one more data type, very, very important. That is the seventh data type is a list. If we have any knowledge, or if you have any knowledge on the C language, and just I'm comparing with C language. Why? Because it's a basic one. Not mandatory having a knowledge of C also. Just I'm comparing. You will get some idea before entering inside of this list data type. Similar to arrays concept, which is similar to arrays concept. That's a simple word. Simple word. So yes, like str int class, int is our class with same name. Integer function is there. Float is a class. Float function also there. Like that. Here list is a class. List function also available. If you take the integer, you can create like in this way, or you can create in this way. The default value is 0 in this situation, line number 10. Okay, now try to understand the concept. List also one of the class name. Everything is class and we can create the object. So in yesterday method, range object you cannot create directly. With the help of the function only you can create the range object. Like if I take a b, B is a range object which can hold 0 to 4, the forward direction. Here list also same. List you can create in two ways, right? Not only two ways, multiple ways also we can provide it, sir. But basic level I'm talking. So first of all, list direct method. If you want to create a list, direct method, any variable name, so square brackets you can use it. Square brackets, embedded or square brackets you can use it. Square brackets you can use it. Simply. It's a
Sorry to
direct
interrupt.
method. Otherwise, another way also there, x equals to list function also you can use it. These two are indicating to you empty list creation only. Okay, what we can insert inside of that is secondary. First try to understand how to create the empty list. A equals to this one, type of A, print of A, and B equals to list, print B, type of B. See, you can create the empty list in this method. This is a direct method with the help of the function. These two are there. Empty one. This is a work to create the empty one. No, I don't want in this way. A list with items, nothing but values. So in the direct method again, list you can write any value separated by comma simply. So item, the items are values. You can write the items. You can write the items. Items nothing but values belongs to any data type. And one more point, first time list to object nothing but v allows duplicate values. For first time I'm writing one more point. List to object we follow the insertion order, means I'm elaborating this word. Whatever the order you are providing, same way it will insert left to right, left to right. So these 2 points were first time I'm using. Yes, see, simply v nothing but line number 28. V our list object allows us or give the choice organize the duplicate value. Duplicate means repeated more than one time. A value or a item repeated more than one time. More than one time. Duplicate values. More than one time it is repeated, that is a duplicate values. Unique is there, duplicate also it will allow us. All data types, any data type you can insert it. Any data type. So you are at 7, data number 7. Before this one 1 to 6 is there, after 8 to 14 is there. Any data type you can insert it here. But item to item separated by commas. Item to item separated by commas. Means I'm going to create a list with a direct method like c equals to one number 3.14 like one float boolean value 2 plus 3j like python 10 20 10. Yes, any data type, not only basic. You can write a range of 5. What I think all data types we covered, all 6 are available. String is there, into everything is added here. That's a C type of C list. Print the C. Same order we have. Same order we have. See, whatever the order I am follow, inserting the same order we have. Same order we have here. Same order we have here. So I have a one big question at this point. Okay, it is following. Sir, any data type, this is a very important one out of the all data types. 14, this is a very important one. Any data type you can insert it. For example, if I write, if I'm talking about the length will work or not. Question is same. Length will work. Yes. Length is working. Number of items are 9. Number of items are 9. So forward index is available from 0 to 8. Forward index is available from 0 to 8. Yes. If I write C of 2, what is your answer?
True. True.
Let's take this one. And what about C of minus 1?
Range 5.
Range 5.
Range 5.
Okay, let's check this one. Range 0 to 5. See, very simple, sir. Even this is range of 5. Even if you, like inside of this one, if you want to print something, okay. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Python 4. I want to print the, listen carefully, C of 4. This is a C. C of 4 means Python. Index number 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. C of 4 is Python. In that I want to print the third character or this character, O character. 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth character I want to print. I want to print O. See, C of 4 is Python. Leave it. This is Python. How can this? You don't think this is a number. Just ignore it. How to print the fourth element? This is a fourth element. How to print the fourth element if it is a character? For example, try to understand. P equals to Python is there, sir. How to print the y? How to print the y? How to print the y?
D2.
What is it?
D2.
F1.
D2. D1. D1.
D
D1,
dot 2.
right?
Mhm.
Here D area you have CF4. No problem. CF4 is giving some result. In the result, I want to print second element. Nothing but index number 1 or not?
Yep.
4, comma 4 you can give.
No, not comma square bracket. This is a Python. This is a Python. In the Python, you are printing first, second index. I mean 0, comma 1. Anything, some values are directly available. These are like length function will not work here. Directly you can print it. C of 1, C of 2, C of 1 of 1. What is that one?
Zero.
One.
Nothing, nothing.
One.
So
Sorry, zero.
Sir, what is the C
Zero.
of 1 first of all? C of 1?
nothing,
C of
nothing,
one.
nothing, nothing,
Sorry,
nothing.
3 point.
My
P of
question
one
is
is
what is
3.14.
what is
Dot.
what is a C of 1 first of all?
Say one is
3.14.
3.14.
14.
Okay. Now tell me, will it support the slicing?
No.
No.
Then how can it be that answer? It is not possible. Index concept is not subscribable. Only from where the index will work as of now. Index one is str, another one is a range. Now today we are seeing the list. Slicing will not work now. This is the index total thing you will get as a one entity. Total thing as a one entity. This is a completely you cannot use the index concept. Here index is possible, but not here, not here, not here, here. So here possible. I want to print the third element. I mean 0, 1, 2. Third element means index number 2. How to print that one? C
C,
of
C of 4.
minus
Divided
1,
by
last element. I want to print the third element. Can I use the index number 2? 0, 1, 2. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Yes.
The number is 2. Simple. Any type of data you can insert it, sir. Simply C equals to you can insert it. Anything you can write it. Whether that is a all numbers or repeated numbers, duplicate. See, one is duplicate. Why? Because one duplicate means not a Xerox copy version capture. Duplicate means repeated a value more than one time. So one having the duplicate, one having the duplicate. So this type of issues only we will get, sir. For example, try to understand how the our upcoming days questions. For example, some random data you will get. So my question is, sir, I want to get the unique values from this one. See how simple I am taking this one. Is it unique or not? Unique or not? Completely in the data, complete data. Yes or no?
yes,
So this way, that's why you don't compromise for this four concept. That is a list, tuple, set, dict. Now we are talking about the list, sir. List, tuple, set, dict. You don't compromise here, sir. Very, 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 very important. Tuple and list. Okay, length function is working. Yes, what is a one here? What is a one? Or one or two or three? Everything what should we call? Either one or two or three or naga. Everything we should call as a item. Item. And items are separated by commas in the list. By comma in the list. In the list. Yes. First, again I'm repeating one more word. List allows duplicate as well as unique values, and insert or takes all type of values, any data type, and it will follow the insertion order. Insertion order, whatever the order you are providing, same order it will follow. Same order it will follow. Now, when the length function is working, length of C, I am getting some answer 10. I mean, number of items are 10. So, index forward direction will works 0 to 9. So, when the length function is working, I will get 4 doubts apart from these rules. What are the 4 doubts when the length function is working? When the length function is working, what is the doubts? First doubt,
Slicing
index.
index.
Yes, index. Next one is a slicing.
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 Third one is a
And
item
Right.
assignment.
mutable or
Immutable.
immutable. It is mutable,
Immutable.
right, sir?
This is a one. Okay, let's start this one, sir. C of 2, C of minus 1. Yes, what is your conclusion? Some outside of the range. Working. C of length of C minus 1. Acceptable? Acceptable this value?
Yes.
Last element. Last element it is printing. Yes. C of last one minus 1. Even we can print the first one also, length of C, but with a negative symbol. C of 1, C of 0. Yes, what is the conclusion? Index is supporting or not?
Supported.
Yes, working both the directions. Are very, very important. Slicing, sir. See, 2 to 5, 1. End always will be excluded. See, what is the meaning of this slicing? Starts, first of all, what is the direction? Direction?
Forward. Forward.
Forward.
Forward.
Forward means start okay, but end always will be minus 1. Nothing but 5
Minus 1.
minus fourth index value. Start is 2. Step is 1. Ah. Index 2 value, index 3 value, index 4 value. These three, am I right? Is it
Yes.
correct? See,
Yes.
what is the answer for this? Index 2, 0, 1, 2. True. 2 plus, I mean, the next one, complex number and the Python. Perfect. So by the observation only we have to give the answer the slicing is working or not. For example, if I give in this way, slicing will work.
No.
No.
Forward direction, 2 starting, 2 right
No.
side we will get the 0, but 0 not come to right side. Empty. Empty. Okay, let's check the negative one. I hope I'm thinking already you are expert in the slicing part. Okay, I'm writing one more thing. Like reverse direction. Yes,
Yes, it will work.
it will work. What is the minus 4 generally? So what is
10.
the end? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 10. Good. Minus 10. Minus
10.
4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Only 9 only there. One second.
Yeah.
One second.
It will work, sir.
Minus 1,
Uh,
minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay. Minus 4 is the starting one, that is a 10. This is a minus 4. What is the end number?
Nine.
Minus 4 left
Minus
side only minus
Excluded
minus
10.
last.
nine.
Plus
Okay,
1.
we excluded. What should I do here? Plus 1 or minus 1?
Plus one.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Step is any number, but direction is negative. Plus 1. Minus 9 will be available. Minus 10 will be excluded. Minus 9 is available. What is a minus 9?
10.
10.
10. Okay. Starts from 10, ends with the 10. But how the output will come? What is the gems? How many gems are
10.
there?
10. 2 plus 3j. Then
Minus
3.14.
3.1. Yes. Can I write a word? Slicing also working on the directions. Is it correct word? Sir, before giving the answer, is it everything is clear about this one?
Yes.
Now, I want to change the index number 3. What is the index number 3 actually? 2 plus 3j.
True.
Complex number is there. What is the type of C plus 3 of C of 3? Type, data type of C of index number 3
Complex.
value.
Complex.
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 Complex. Now, I am trying to use assignment operator. There I want to store 100. Previously for strings it is not working. See, if I take a string, length function is working. E of 2, that is T, when I try to store Z, it is not working. Item assignment not supported by string object. String object means here A. String object means character A. A is loaded total result. And if you come to the yesterday's concept, 0 to 9, we can use the for loop for x, e, and b. Print of x. Yes, d having everything. D of index number 2, fine. D of index number -1, 9. Yes, here I am trying to store some number. Here also it is not supported. Today you are seeing the list. Index number 3. Here I want to store a number 1000. Will it work?
Yes,
3,
Yes.
2 are
Yes.
not working.
Yes.
it should work.
It is working. We modified or not? C equals to one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40. ID of C. C equals to 2. What is the value? 30. Here I am going to write table 1. C. ID of C. Where the same address it is modified or different address? Confirm it that before modification of the 30. This is a normal list. What is the address? 8016. C of 2 is 30. Yes, 0, 1, 2. So I am changing that value with the triple 1. Yes, modified. ID of C, when I'm calling, the same address is there or not? Now, what is the conclusion? What is the
Mutable.
conclusion here? Yes,
Mutable.
mutable. Very first one, sir. As of now, this is the very first one.
So,
Mutable. In the same address location, you are changing. Sir, this is not mutable. Maybe you may think like 1, 2, 3, 4. ID of A. Sir, again I'm storing 1 to 5 also. Why you are not saying this is a mutable? See, ID of A. I'm adding one number. Both are same address. Both are same address.
No.
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 You are taking same variable name. Always it will override. Always it will override. But I am saying to you, mutable means in the same address location, one of the item value we have to change. Okay, this is a one-way sir, direct method. We can create the empty list by using these two approaches. Empty list and non-empty list direct method. This is a one. Another method also there with help of the list function. But condition should be yes. Inside of this one should be a iterable object. Iterable object you have to write. Iterable object means the object should work with the length function, sir. See, if you try to write directly a number, if you try to write number, you will get an error. You will get an error. Why? Because int is not a iterable object. Length function will not work. If you store that number in a variable, see, that not work. So you can create it. Now tell me what is a iterable object? String is iterable object. As of now, string is iterable object. Length will work if I store this value into one variable.
Yes. Yes.
See how the output, see, every character is stored or not. Next one. Can I take the range of 10? Is it fine? Is it iterable object or not? Confirm it.
Yes.
Before giving the answer, is it iterable object or not? Simply if I store this value into one variable, if I use length of C, will you get any number or length will you come or not? Length will come, that is iterable object. For iterable object only you can use the for loop. Am I clear, sir?
I iterable object means we can use length function first.
First, iterable object means how we can identify, that is you have to use the length. But that is a perfect clarity you will get.
Okay.
Now if I use this one, what will happen? All values will sit in one variable or separated by commas.
Separate by comma.
Separated by commas. Now give me one conclusion before going to see advanced level. How to create a empty list? These two methods. How to create a non-empty list with these two methods? and index, slicing, item assignment. Okay, by the item assignment, we can give that answer like it is a mutable or immutable. This is a mutable one. These total 8 concepts are clear or not, sir?
Yes. But item assignment is supported by this list or not? I am just a little confusion on this. Item assignment
Only
is
one.
not supported by item assignment is not supported by list or it's supported.
Now tell me, you have to give that answer. Item assignment is supported or not? Previous example by that.
Yeah, I think no because that we cannot change the
Yes, guys. Any one of you give the conclusion? Item assignment supported or not? One of the item after creation, can I change it in the same address location?
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
we
we
can change it.
yes.
Here I am changing.
If it's not the float.
See,
Okay.
30 area I replace with the triple one with assignment operator. Item assignment operator will come. Only for the first one supporting as of now. The very first one is item supporting, that is a list. Apart from these rules, this one also you have to consider. It will allow the duplicate values. Tell me, range will allow the duplicate values. Range
no,
of 5 means
No,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is
No.
it possible to show 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1? No, not at all.
no.
But string fine. String will allow the duplicate values. Why? Because Python or Naga, A is repeated more than one time. String will allow the duplicate values. String will allocate the duplicate value. See, A equals to Naga. A is repeated. Unique values came, duplicate values came. Actually, range we can create by directly in our hand. These are sequential data types. And you can store any type of data type, not only number. See, this is a one item. Integer, float, boolean, complex, string, integer, range. You can write one more list. You can write one more list also. Inside of the list, you can write an inner list. I am writing one more list. Fk equals to 1 comma 2 comma Python, like 1 comma 2 comma 3 or 99 88 77. See the list type of k. What is the last element? How to print the last element? Simply -1 is acceptable.
Minus one.
What
Yeah.
it will print? Total element it will print or only 99 it will print if I call k of
All
-1.
Total.
All
total element.
Total.
8877.
If I want to print the middle one,
Abu we have to give.
A
which
minus
one?
one.
One.
One, one or
One.
-2. Any one of them. -2 also fine. From end. Right, sir. Now, okay, up to this is very simple way. Why? Because sir, already we have a slicing. This concept, four concept, we have a very good clarity. Very good clarity. Very first time when we are learning, it took lot of time to understand slicing. Almost 1.5 hours it took. Item assignment, this is just 10 minutes. But index and slicing taking long time. It took long time to understand this concept. Now, very first one, after learning all these data types, which one? We covered integer, we covered float, boolean, and complex, and now onwards iterable objects. Length function will work. String and str only. Range. Now today we are at tuple, sorry, list. Now onwards I am using dir function. Now I am trying to use the dir function. What is the inside of dir? You can go with help also, help of list. It is also class only. Class only. Class only, class methods it we have. So anything starting with and ending with underscore, that is we will call as a magic methods or variables, which are used by Python internally. When you know the classes concept detailedly, how to create a class. This is our upcoming topic, sir. Even you can take any one of the option. I will show you one running batch also same thing. Classes concept is there. One second. This is a one. When we having the perfect idea about the complete how to create our own class. So these much of things are available. We are going to create in upcoming days. What is a class? How to create our own class? But as of now, we are working with existing class. Okay, list is a class. Everything is a class. Integer a class. For them, we are creating the object. Like you are creating 1 comma 2 comma 3. uh, This is a C is a object of class. Now tell me, sir. I have one question. Will it create any list? Is it correct? Will it create the list if I write only one value?
Yes,
Okay.
because that's
Today
square
the
bracket.
answer is Today the answer is yes. Tomorrow also I will throw one question. Absolutely, that is correct. That is a list. Print the D. How to print the list items? Take the script. Item. Everything you should call as item. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How to print these objects one by one? One by one, how to print it?
For loop, by for loop, or we
Yes.
can make it a table.
For X or temporary I in Z. So Z
Print.
having total list of values. Every time from Z to one value will come. First time 10 will come. Next time 20 will come. 30, 40, 50. So number of iterations equals to number of items in the list. Simply length function value. Please keep on mute, sir. Is it correct one? Is it correct one?
मेरे
Whatever I
कंपनी
written on the screen, is it?
कॉफी डाल के गर्म पानी दे दो.
Sir, please keep on mute. Someone is speaking. Is it correct way to print the values? Is it correct way? Can I, which one variable I should
I
use?
think
I, R, Z
we have to
inside of the.
find out length.
We have to call Z sir.
No. First, my question is, which variable I should use to print one by one in the inside of the for loop?
I
I value.
I.
A temporal
I
value.
If I write the Z, is there any issue? Z is nothing but indirectly you are copying these values only, na? There is no big thing.
No, it
Same
will
thing.
print what are the elements in the Z. Means it will repeat the Z value. That's it. It will not include the values inside the Z.
So you need to put a set of y, set bracket y.
Okay. Now the question, sir. After this output, is it fine? Everything is working.
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Without Z also you can work it directly. You can directly write the list object here directly. Will it work?
Yes.
It will work.
Yes.
Yes.
Simple. A simple way. So no need any variable. But internally PVM will create the variable, sir. Internally PVM will create the variable. You are not creating, but PVM will create the variable. Even if it is a one line statement, after colon if I write, will it work? Only one line statement only.
It
The
will work.
statement
Yes, sir.
block, if you have only one line, you can write it, sir. But more than one line, you should not write. The statement block, I have only one line, that's why I'm writing. That's why I'm writing. Is there any advanced way instead of writing this much of times? See, I can create the list of a iterable object I am storing. An iterable object I am providing. Range of 10. What is the output?
0 to 9.
It is iterable object. Instead of the bracket, iterable object. Same way, start with 10, ends with 101, state is 10. Acceptable? Start at 10, forward direction, 100 and 101 minus 1 is 100, 10 to every time 10 step. This is fine or not? Iterable object I written between them. Is it clear about the 100, 101, 10 output?
Yes.
So I'm
Start with
simplifying my
10,
work.
end with 10, 10 it will increase.
And end number positive direction means what is the end number? 100 minus 1. 101 minus 1 is 100. Am I right? End number is fine.
Yes.
Here, forward direction minus 1 of the end number. 101 minus 1, it is 100. So 10 jumps every time 10 10 steps like this one. So why I have to type manually? So simply I will write this word instead of this total word. I'm simply writing list of range of 10, 100, 101, 10 steps. Same output. See? You can write the same script 100 lines also. Now, very first time I'm using I'm creating a list object one more time. This is a list object I'm creating. dir of C or dir of class name or object name. Here character C is a object of list. Either you can write the class name, either you can write the object name. Is there any change in the result? No. Sir, I am very first time using dir. See, you can ignore, but not ignoring, completely not ignoring. First concept, no, don't ignore the magic methods and variable. Anything starting with underscore underscore, ending with underscore underscore. Two underscores are involved here. It is not one underscore.
Yes.
Operators, variables only. You can ignore from these points, sir. Now we have to concentrate our remaining 11 methods. You have to buy at them, sir. You have to buy at them. Simply, I will write here how much we remember this one. We will see. A append C for 2. First one is a clear copy.
Copy.
E for extend. E F G H I. Insert, index, remove, pop, remove, reverse, start, and one more thing is missing. How many are there? From 30, 1 second, 41. I will bring this line to 40. Still one more is there, sir. Reverse came, sort. Reverse came, sort came, one more element. What is that one? Remove came, insert, extend. Extend came
Copy.
already. Reverse.
Reverse.
Remove came up?
Reverse.
No, biggest
Insert.
reverse
Think
came.
count missing.
C3, not 2. C3, I2. Remembering shortcut, sir. I for 2. I2.
R2.
We have to buy at them, sir. Simply, we have to buy it. We have to remember this one.
R2. Remove reverse.
No, one by one, I will explain to you what is the usage. See, I will use some logic to print these even. How to print this one? What is our output data type? My question is very clear. DARC, what is output type?
List.
List. You can ask the same
Class.
question. List. DARC having inside of which one, sir? Inside of which
Yeah.
one? Everything is fixed in with two open and closed square bracket or not?
Yes.
Total result. Is it list? List object?
Is listed.
Yes. So list object I can use the for loop. See, I'm simply writing. Otherwise, you can create a list object. No problem. You can write like a list object. Simply you can write 10, 20. At least two variable or one variable. For I in dir of z means which will come? This total result or not? This total result or not? dir of c or dir of z means total values or not? Am I right? Am I right? dir of z means z is a list object here. Like your screen, if you want to see, you can take it. So dir of c means which one it will print every time. First time, these object
Ten
dir of
twenty.
list means this total result. Underscore add will be loaded and it will print. Next underscore class, like one by one it will print. Yes, sir. Everything is clear.
Yes.
Everything is clear. Okay, let's run it. Good. Working. Can I maintain the serial number? Yes, you can maintain the serial number. For example, I equal to 1, k equals to 1. I am writing in this way. K comma I. K comma I am printing. What is the k value? First, this will be created. A list is created with the two values 10, 20. C is pointing. Index number 0 and 1. One more variable is created. I
Okay.
equals to 1 for loop. dir of c means this will be loaded. First time, for example, underscore add will come. First, what will be print? K means which one will print? 1. K means 1 or not? K means
Yes.
1 or not? And space I
Yes.
underscore add underscore. Second time, some other method will come underscore not equal, for example. What is I value? What is the K value second iteration time?
2.
1.
1.
No, who is saying 2? No, not. We are not doing anything. Again, 1 only, na? Are you doing
Okay.
anything in the? We are not doing anything. Second one, always it will print 1 only. Yes, your answer is my requirement. So can I write this one? Every time printing 1, I am going to change the k value by 1. Acceptable statement, line number 10.
It is.
Yes.
Yes.
So equal operator always do the see existing value plus right side expression, it will store into the left side variable. After first iteration, new value is 2. After second iteration, I value will be 3. See, now it is printing a beautiful way. But I don't want to this one. For them, I am adding one line. You have to remember that one line. I am using one line. If I starts with, just to remember this line, sir.
Underscore.
Just to remember this line and bring the remaining lines under if conditional space. Line number 9 only new for you. That is an unknown concept. What is the main intention? I don't want to see which are starting with underscore, sir. That is the main intention. But I am only clearly saying to you, we don't know the line number 9. But remember this one. See, is there any output bit? Okay. Starts, yes is missing. I'm sorry. How you know this one? Now perfect output, is it correct? This one? This is a
Yes.
perfect one? For
Yes.
example, if I give a string, if I'm giving a string, Python is a string object? C is a string object. Are you believing now?
It's a
Yes.
string.
Yes.
Sir, for every iterable object, I will use the same script. Except line number 9, everything is say we know very well. See, to understand the list, we have to cover this one. Write a integer, write a float number, write a boolean number, write a range object. Yes, working or not? Sir, what I'm doing? Just changing the object only here. C variable, I'm changing everything. I'm, for example, 3 plus 4j. Yes, only line number 6 I'm changing. Everything is modifying. Tomorrow, if I write the tuple, see, if I write the Victor, only one question, one thing will give to you all answers. You have to by heart these lines, sir. But I will give the beautiful explanation to you. What is this condition? Bring these two lines under the if conditional space indentation operator. At this point, even we don't know is false. False we know very well. What is this one? Boolean value. Am I right?
Boolean value.
What is the starts with?
Start
If you
with
go to
Starting.
if you if you take a string, I will show you. If you take a string, 47 methods are there. Is there anything in the string starts with? Is there or not? Is one of the string method or not?
Yes.
But as of now, you can ignore everything just to create a list, empty list or anything. What is this 11? Why? Because your list is mutable. Here also
Competition.
learning style also append and extension in one category, pop and remove one category. Again copy two types, deep copy, shallow copy. Count is simple length only. Insertion, index, reverse, alphabetical order, but should be numbers, should be alphabets only. These 11 methods I will explain. What even I am not calling 11 things. Even what is the append we don't know. What is the append we don't know. How to use it secondary. First, what it is, how to use it. These two question answer we will see from tomorrow session. And before going to close this session, everything is clear, sir, for today's session. List object, square bracket, and these three things. When the length function is working, I am coming to these four things. List creation in two ways. Empty list creation and with values creation. Very first time we used dir. When I using the dir of list, I am getting multiple things. Okay, what is the copy? You can ask me. Type list.copy. Who are you? I am a method. I am a function. I am a function. Tell me how to use it. Same story, sir. Same story. Who are you? How to use it? Class name or object name dot this one. See, brackets are required. So this area we will see in tomorrow's session. Right? I will stop here. We will meet tomorrow, and I will share you yesterday's assignment solutions in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.